Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 6 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 6 ML2 employee wages. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Okay, you can contact me for your assignment, exam, or complete course. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Exp22. Okay. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically, in this step, we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can download your Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Itlab dashboard. Step number 1 is completed now. Moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that create range names based on the value in the range are 10 to 11. Basically, in this step we will have to create a range names based on the value in the ranges. First select these ranges are 10 to 11. Okay. Go to the formula bar. Formulation create from selection. Okay, it will be create range. Okay, step number 2 is completed now. I have done 2 steps. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that edit the range names gross earnings should display as gross. Basically in this step we will have to edit the range names. Gross earning to is display as gross. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Go to name manages, edit gross earning to gross. We will have to change this range name. Then okay. Then close. Okay, it will be changed. Okay, I change the range names. I have done 3 steps of this assignment. This step is 10 points and previous step has 15 points. I have done 25 points of assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that apply the gross and total wage paid range names to the formula and cell R12 using the apply range name method. Okay, basically in this step we will have to apply the gross and total wage. Okay, moving on Excel file. I can do on gross earning, subtract from total wage paid, enter formula I13, I12 in cell I12, enter a formula in cell I12 and value will be fine, and apply find name method, range name method. Okay, I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that load the solver add-in. If it is not available, set the objective cell to main total wage paid, cell F13. Basically in this step we will have to load the solvers. Okay, go to data tab, then solver. To load the solver add, and if it's not available, set the objective cell to main total wage paid, cell F13. Okay, set the objective cell total wage paid F13. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the Excel. Go to the Excel workbook. Then solver. Okay, then main, select object main total wage paid cell of the select main, then select F13. Okay, server will be added. Okay, I have done this step. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Okay, load is available. Okay, this step is completed now. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that assign horse weekend range E5 to E12 as the changing variable size. Basically in this step we will have to assign horse weekend range E5 to 12 as the changing variable size. Okay, you can see the instruction from section sheet and apply on Excel file. Go to the Excel workbook for applying this assign horse work. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay, change the variable size. Horse work column. Horse work column. Okay, is 5 to 12 as changing variable. Okay, I have done 6 steps of this assignment now. Now moving on next step. You can see I have completed this step. Now moving on step number 7. Set a constraint to ensure horse schedule per implies or whole numbers. Set a constraint. Basically, step we will have to set a constraint to ensure horse schedule per implies or whole numbers. You can read instruction on Word file and you can apply on Excel workbook, your Excel workbook. That's download your Itlab dashboard. You can contact me for your assignment and complete course on WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Go to the Excel work and apply some customer 7. Add constraint. We will have to add constraint is 5 to E12. E5 to E12. And whole number. Apply or whole number. Okay, schedule per implies or whole number. Then whole integer add cell references, then constraint. Okay, I have done 7 steps. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 we constraint. Step number 8 it is that set constraint to require to ensure full times implies work between 30 and 50 hours per week. Okay, we have to apply constraint full time employer work between 30 and 50 hours per week. Go to the okay, first we read this instruction, then applying on Excel file. Okay, cell references is E 5 to E7, then add greater than is equal to 30, add then 50 hours per week, then between 30 and 50 hours, between 30 and 50 hours. Okay, horse E5 to 7 less than is equal to 50, then okay, add this cell references, ensure all time. Okay, I have done 8 steps of this assignment. Total step of this assignment is 12. I have done 8 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to do for complete course, make it with me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your courses in your assignments. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.